friends, this is Dr. Shari from Natural Health and Yoga. I'm a certified yoga therapist and a naturopath. I'm going to demonstrate one of the arm workout to improve your arms strength and actually help your immune system function. What we're going to do, I'm going to start with basic movement. Let's bend the knees first. Make sure knees are hip width apart. Feet parallel, knees hip width apart. Straighten the spine. Draw the belly in, pull the shoulders back and down. When the spine is straight, hands are parallel. Keeping the shoulders back. When prepared, let's bend the elbows and reach our weights. Your proper weight depends on your arm strength. It could be 2 pounds or 5 pounds. Once you're prepared, holding the elbows directly underneath the shoulders, pulling the shoulders back and down. When we are steady, feet off the floor, balancing like this. Good. When prepared, lower and release, soften and relax. Once you're ready for more challenge, we're gonna try this. Make sure palms are facing up, shoulders back and down. When the spine is straight, keep the belly in and try this. Bending the elbows, one at a time. 1, let's count. 2, 3, keep breathing. 4, 5, and last one, 6, hold on it at the top, hold on to it for a few seconds. 3, feel what muscles are engaged. Excellent. When prepared, softly, slowly lower the waist down. Try to control your muscles. Lower the waist down and release. Breathe out. You can practice this movement as many as you like. So the more you can practice, the stronger your arms become. Strengthening your shoulders, you will be able to practice more and more. Thanks for listening.